Om. 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 Om Sahana Vavado Sahano Bhunakto Sahaviryam Karavavahai Tejasvinavadhitamastu Ma Vidvishavahai. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Om Gurur Brahma Gurur Vishnu Gurur Devo Maheshwarah Guru Sakshat Param Brahma Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha. Like we are seeing every day about one or the other thought regarding art of series. Before our Upanishad class, very short today, the art of continuously being aware about what is happening in us, about us and around us. So the thought is the art of being aware about what is happening mainly inside us, about us and around us. Like a manager should always be aware of what is happening in his office or the company. The whole company and the workers of the company and around the company, the activities outside but related to the company. In the same way, in a sort of urgency or non-thinking, we just go on living life without becoming aware exactly what is happening in us. Only when you observe what is happening, then we can know, is that happening correct or not? Then only we can think about, if it is not correct, how to correct it, and if it is already correct, how to improve upon it, how to beautify it. Take last 10 days of our life, okay, or 9 days, today 8th, so 1st December onwards, 1 to 8 December 2021. In these 8 days, how many hundreds of things we have done outside, we know. But how many times we became aware about what is happening inside? With regard to our own, the mind or the intellect, their imagination, their thoughts, their tension, their worries, their anxieties, they were going on. Point is what? They were all going on, they were all happening, but we were not aware of them. So they were happening, but without our being aware. Therefore, they did what they had to do of troubling us, but they have not done what we could get out of them, some benefit out of them. So be always aware about inside me. Take these two equipments, mind and intellect. Look into the mind throughout the day. What is that is happening in the mind? Is it worried? Is it brooding over? Is it in tension? Is it in anxiety? Is it got any bad negative thoughts? Any emotions? Be aware. If we can't be aware, like your children at home, if you are not aware about where are they, what they are doing, they go out of control. Is it not? How important is that? Same way, think about intellect also. Is this intellect, first of all, is awakened or slept? If it is awakened, how much it is sharp and subtler? If it is sharp and subtler, how much it is getting guidance from the real sources? Is it not required for us? When we are aware, then we can beautify it, we can purify it, we can modify it, we can make it dignified, wonderful. So the art of being aware about what is happening inside me. Inside me. Then only the next one also, what is happening about me. About means what? The influence of the things and beings around me on me. About me, what is happening? How the atmosphere is affecting me, health-wise, physically. How the presence of other people is affecting me. Their words are affecting me. And what it can be, where I can improve about it. So when you develop this art, you know that first you become aware of it, then you know when you where to bring the changes or modification, every moment will be in that alertness. What will happen is we will reduce those karanas or the doings by which we unnecessarily become miserable. Reduce the karanas of becoming miserable and add the karanas to make it happy, to make it yield the result. Both of them, removal of the causes of suffering or failure, adding the causes of success are possible only when we are aware about that. Being aware is an art. So be aware about what is happening inside me, what is happening about me. And then inside me, you also can take about your deha. We talked about mana and buddhi, but even body also we can say. मेरे देह में क्या हो रहा है मुझे पता होना चाहिए ना कि am I becoming older, am I losing my memory power, or my limbs are becoming weakened, is my energy being lost? So we have to become aware of it. Some are there which we can repair. Some of them is non-repairable, but there is some little alternative. You have to take care of that. All that we do when we become aware first of all. Then about us we said, then around us. Around us also means in the world at large. What is happening? Let us be aware. Then what is happening in the world when we become aware? There one thing we'll add, we and a world being one together, our life influences the world and worlds also influences us. Therefore, when you look around the world and become aware of it, in whatever the way possible, let us become little contributor to the positivity of the world. So some crimes, criminalities are happening and you observed it. You became aware of it. So what is my contribution? Just close eyes and tell to the Lord, oh Lord, let this himsa pravritti go away from the minds of people. It has very minute effect, but it has effect. Same thing when more people do, more vigorously, then that thought vibration enters into those criminals and it removes that criminal pravritti from them. But for that, this is the beginning. This is my contribution to the world. So there is a quarrel happening. You observe. Just to say, oh Lord, let there be proper understanding and mutual acceptance. Send this thought, that is my contribution to the world which is around me happening. Physically you may not go. So many restrictions will be there. Is it not? Like what is happening around the world? You know, Indian Prime Minister and Russian President, they met too. So you physically you are not invited, but you can have a thought sent. No, may they have that friendly, good, relative discussion, and the outcome should be fruitful for the nation and the people of both the nations. Now, if this thought is set, what if Putin Modi और का दिमाग हमारा thoughts उनके मन में जाएंगे? They will sit and discuss that which is required for the nation. That's what becoming aware around the world and becoming aware about us, what is happening. Third one is becoming aware about myself, inside me. So what is happening inside me, be aware of it, about me also, and around me in the sense at large in the world. My contribution there. If you don't send those thoughts, nothing much loss, but there is always a positive when you send the positive. And in fact, the world is nothing but cumulativeness of all the individuals put together only, no? Is it not? When every individual becomes great like that, the whole world also beautiful. So the art of being or becoming aware about what is happening inside me, what is happening around me, about me, and what is happening around me in the world at large. And there, just see and see what can be done. So in that about me what is happening, you can be about the whole family members, anybody who are, उनको मेरे बारे में क्या विचार है उनका, क्या वो लोग किस तरह से एक्ट कर रहे हैं मेरे तरफ और मैं उसका कैसे रिएक्ट कर रहा हूं, उसको कैसे सुधरना है. Whole life is this much only, using intellect, knowing the problem, using the intellect, knowing the solution. applying the solution through mind and senses and body, go to next step. There are some problems to be solved, there are some goals to be achieved. Both are the works of intellect, and that is when you become aware. So the awareness is today's thought. We'll stop it today. Thank you. Hari Om.